Hello, little stars. Look at the page. Circle the correct spelling. Correct spelling. First one, color, purple. Purple. It is not purple. It is purple. Purple. PLE. Purple. First one, strike off, put into. Second one, circle. Next one, people. People. It is not people. It is people. People. PLE only. Put into over the first one, circle the second one. Ripple. Ripple. It is not ripple. It is ripple. Ripple. Next one is temple. Temple. That is not temple. That is temple. Look, second one, TEMPLE. Not temple. That is temple. Temple. Put into over first one. Round off the second one. Next one, nipple. Nipple is not the correct sound. Nipple. Nipple. Nipple is the correct sound. Nipple. Nipple. Nipple is not the correct sound. Nipple. 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 Nipple is not the correct sound. So, strike of the first one, round of the second one. Now pause the video, start to fill the page. Best of luck, super kids.